Or do you want to lower your cholesterol naturally? Are you ready to make some lifestyle changes to promote a healthier heart? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Cholesterol may not be the most glamorous subject, but it's a vital aspect of our heart health. High cholesterol can lead to heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. But fear not, managing cholesterol isn't as daunting as it might seem. The first step towards managing cholesterol is making thoughtful and informed lifestyle changes, and that's what we're here for today. We're going to explore 5 key changes you can make to lower your cholesterol naturally. We'll delve into heart-healthy foods, the importance of regular exercise, the impact of smoking, the connection between weight and cholesterol, and even how moderate alcohol consumption can play a part in managing cholesterol levels. So let's dive into it. The first step to lower your cholesterol naturally is to eat heart-healthy foods. You see, what we consume directly impacts our cholesterol levels, and making mindful choices can be a powerful ally in the quest for a healthier heart. Let's start with reducing saturated fats. Found in red meat and full-fat dairy products, these fats have a significant impact on raising your cholesterol levels. By limiting their intake, you're already taking a positive step towards heart health. Now let's talk about trans fats, the notorious villains in the world of heart health. Often hidden in packaged foods under the name partially hydrogenated vegetable oil, trans fats are known to raise your low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, the bad cholesterol, while lowering your high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, the good cholesterol. Eliminating these from your diet can be a game-changer. Next up is incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your meals. Found in fatty fish like salmon, albacore, tuna, and mackerel, these fatty acids can lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of developing blood clots. And guess what? They don't affect your LDL cholesterol. How fantastic is that? Increasing your intake of soluble fiber can also aid in reducing your cholesterol. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are rich in soluble fiber, which reduces the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. Lastly, introducing whey protein supplementation can be beneficial. Studies show that whey protein, found in dairy products, can lower both LDL and total cholesterol while also lowering blood pressure. A double whammy for heart health, wouldn't you say? So there you have it. By reducing saturated and trans fats, incorporating omega-3 fatty acids, increasing your soluble fiber intake, and introducing whey protein into your diet, you're well on your way to naturally lowering your cholesterol levels. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in managing your cholesterol levels. So, the next time you're about to dig into a meal, think about what's on your plate. Your heart will thank you for it. Moving on to the second step, regular exercise. This is a crucial component in managing cholesterol and promoting overall heart health. Just like a well-oiled machine, our bodies need to stay in motion to function at their best. Physical activity plays a pivotal role in cholesterol management. It helps to increase levels of high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, which is often referred to as good cholesterol. HDL works like a cleanup crew for your bloodstream, ferrying away low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, the bad cholesterol, to the liver where it's broken down and removed from your body. So how much exercise do we need? The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. This could be brisk walking, cycling, or even gardening. Anything that gets your heart rate up and keeps you moving. However, it's important to remember that any movement is better than no movement. So don't be discouraged if you can't hit these targets immediately. Even a daily walk around the block can make a difference. Moderate physical activity has a host of benefits beyond raising HDL cholesterol. It can help maintain a healthy weight, reduce blood pressure, and improve mental health. All these factors contribute to a healthier heart. But before you lace up your running shoes and hit the pavement, remember, it's always wise to seek your doctor's approval before starting a new exercise regimen. They can provide guidance based on your current health status and help you create a workout plan that's both safe and effective. Exercise is a powerful tool in your arsenal for combating high cholesterol. It's a natural, cost-effective method that comes with a plethora of other health benefits. So, get moving and keep your cholesterol levels in check. The third step is simple but challenging. Quit smoking. You see, smoking has a profound impact on cholesterol levels. It lowers the good HDL cholesterol while increasing the bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. This not only raises your cholesterol levels, but also puts you at risk for heart disease. Now here's the good news. Quitting smoking can have a rapid and positive effect on your HDL cholesterol levels. In fact, within just 20 days to 3 months of quitting, your blood circulation and lung function begin to improve. But quitting isn't easy, and it's okay to seek help. There are numerous resources and strategies available, from nicotine replacement therapies to behavioral therapies, support groups, and even mobile apps designed to assist in smoking cessation. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and taking that first step towards quitting smoking can be a significant stride towards a healthier heart. Quitting smoking is tough, but it's a key step in lowering your cholesterol. The fourth step is about maintaining a healthy weight. A crucial aspect of managing cholesterol levels and promoting heart health is ensuring that your weight is within a healthy range. You see, carrying around extra weight can lead to higher levels of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol. Higher LDL levels can increase your risk of heart disease. Moreover, excess weight can also lower your high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, the good cholesterol that helps remove LDL from your bloodstream. So, how can we tackle this issue? Well, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that can lead to weight loss and an overall improvement in cholesterol levels. For example, by reducing your portion sizes and opting for healthier alternatives, you can start to see a difference. This doesn't mean you need to starve yourself or drastically cut calories. Instead, focus on adopting a balanced, nutritious diet filled with a variety of foods that can help you feel full and satisfied. Now let's talk about snacks and beverages. It's easy to reach for a bag of chips or a sugary drink when you're feeling peckish or need a quick energy boost. But these are often loaded with unhealthy fats and sugars that can contribute to weight gain and higher cholesterol levels. Instead, choose snacks like nuts and seeds, which are packed with healthy fats and fiber and can help manage your cholesterol levels. For beverages, try to limit your intake of sugary drinks and opt for water, herbal tea, or fresh fruit juices instead. Remember, the goal is not to achieve rapid weight loss, but rather to establish a healthier lifestyle that supports weight management and heart health. It's about making choices that benefit you in the long run. And the great part is, even a small weight loss can make a big difference. Losing as little as 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly improve your cholesterol levels. Every pound loss contributes to a healthier heart. So let's make those small changes today and take a step towards a healthier tomorrow. The fifth and final step is to drink alcohol in moderation. So what does moderation mean exactly? Well, for men, it's up to 2 standard drinks per day, and for women, it's 1. A standard drink typically refers to 14 grams of pure alcohol, which is found in about 12 ounces of regular beer, 5 ounces of wine, or 1.5 ounces of distilled spirits. Excessive alcohol intake, however, can increase your cholesterol levels and blood pressure, leading to heart disease. It's also associated with a host of other health risks, from liver disease to addiction. But don't worry, you don't have to give up your Friday night glass of wine or beer at the game. It's all about balance. Stick to the guidelines we've just discussed, and you'll be on your way to a healthier heart. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to alcohol consumption. Now that we have discussed the 5 lifestyle changes to lower your cholesterol naturally, it's time to put them into practice. First, we talked about eating heart-healthy foods, such as reducing saturated and trans fats, incorporating omega-3 fatty acids, increasing soluble fiber intake, and introducing whey protein supplementation. Next, we emphasized the importance of regular exercise, as it can help manage cholesterol levels and even raise good cholesterol. Then, we moved on to the benefits of quitting smoking, which can rapidly improve your HDL cholesterol levels. We also touched on weight management and how small changes can make a significant impact on your cholesterol levels. Finally, we discussed the importance of drinking alcohol in moderation. So there you have it, 5 lifestyle changes that can help you lower your cholesterol naturally and lead a healthier life. It's never too late to take proactive steps towards heart health. Remember, your health is a lifelong journey. Subscribe to our channel for more health advice and tips. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant lifestyle changes.